In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Microsoft Word on your PC or laptop. If you're new to Microsoft Word and want to learn how to open it on your computer, this tutorial will show you a simple way to get started. The same basic method works on both a desktop computer and a laptop running Windows. First, go to the bottom left corner of your screen and click on the Windows Start button. This will open the Start menu, where you can access the applications installed on your computer. Once the Start menu is open, look for the search box or search option. Click on it and type Microsoft Word. As you type, Windows will search for Microsoft Word and display it in the results. Look for the Microsoft Word application in the search results. Once you see Microsoft Word, simply click on it to open the application. Microsoft Word will now start, and after a moment, you will see the Word Start screen. From here, you may see options such as creating a blank document or choosing from available templates. If you want to start working on a new document, select Blank Document. This will open a new Word document where you can begin typing and editing your content. You can use the same method whenever you want to open Microsoft Word on your PC or laptop. Simply open the Windows Start menu, search for Microsoft Word, and select the application from the results. If you use Microsoft Word frequently, you may also see it in your Start menu or in your recently used applications. This can make it easier to access Word the next time you need it. The steps are generally the same whether you're using a desktop PC or a laptop. As long as Microsoft Word is available on your Windows computer, you can use the Start menu and search to locate the application. Once Microsoft Word is open, you can create a new document, open an existing document, or choose another available option depending on what you want to do. So whenever you need to open Microsoft Word, remember to use the Windows Start menu, search for Microsoft Word, and then select the application from the search results. And that's how you can easily open Microsoft Word on your PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,